Hi, welcome to Linux channel. Since I cover extensive topics on network software development and kernel development, one of the queries which I often get from my students and viewers is that what exactly comprises of a network stack. So the network stack usually comprises of three major components. One is its core, where it takes active decisions what to be done with the packets, which is also called as a FSM or finite state machine. The next one is its RX path. The last one is its transmit path or TX path. So the receive path or RX path receives raw packets which it will convert into a meaningful data structure. If the stack is written in C, then it will convert into a struct. If it is written in C++, then it may convert into some kind of object instance. So this will be fed to the FSM. The FSM takes a quick decision what to be done. In case it is not supposed to be sent or replayed, then it will drop that incoming packet which is in the form of a data structure, or it has to be replied, then it will create a reply data structure which it will be fed to the TX path. The TX path will convert this data structure back to the raw packet form which will be sent out of the wire. This is in the case of a simple network stack, but if you consider IPv4 stack, then it happens multiple stages. You get something like this in IP layer, then you get something like this in transport layer, such as TCP and UDP, and similarly even in ICMP as well. So this is what usually a network stack comprises of.